Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI to cancel subscription on any website. So basically, in this specific tutorial, we will use ChatGPT to write a subscription cancellation emails or letters. So first of all, I will need you to grab your devices and go to any browser that exists in them. Now, what I need you to do is go to the URL section and write or tap OpenAI. So here it is, the website, and this is the ChatGPT website. So basically, to start using it, let's click on try. So here I will click on try and this page shall be opened for me. So basically, let me just log in real quick. Log in. It is pretty simple process. Log in, continue, user account. It is, as you can see, pretty simple. So now it has opened for me. So basically now what I'm going to do is ask the chat GPT to write me a subscription cancellation email. So write me a subscription cancellation email, for example, Netflix. So for Netflix, here we go. Subject: cancellation of Netflix subscription. Dear Netflix team, I'm writing to inform you that I would like to cancel my Netflix subscription. Please process the cancellation and confirm receipt of this email. Thank you for your services. So here sincerely, and here you put your name. Of course, you can add whatever you'd like. So for example, let's make it a letter. So let me just change this to letter. So letter. Let's see, the Netflix. I am writing inform you that you'd like this. I have decided to cancel my subscription with your streaming service. The reason, so as you can see here, it has been changed. So as you can see, the message up here is not the same as the one in here. As you can see here, there's more detail, more text, because I said it's a letter, not an email, as you can see here. So yeah, guys, basically that's it. That's how we can actually use AI to cancel a subscription. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.